645 jackpot prize is 16,649,127 pesos and 40 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Sir, please press that button and let's play Mega Lotto 645. Mega Lotto fans, nakikita natin ngayon ang 45 drawballs numbered 1 to 45 na hinahalo ng draw machine. 6 lucky balls ang iintay nating piliin for the official Mega Million combination this Monday night. And our first number is 41. Ingatan po ang lotto ticket, huwag babasain o paplansyahin yan. Tandaan, kailangang mabasa ng validating machine ang detalye ng winning ticket sa pag-claim ng premyo. The second number is 1. Exciting ang consolation prizes ng Mega Lotto. 30 pesos ang panalo kapag nag-match ang 3 numbers ninyo sa mga nanalong numero. And our third number is 43. 1.1 million pesos naman ang paghatiang papremyo ng lahat ng makakakuha ng 4 mega winning numbers. At para manalo, pwedeng rumble ang mga numero. The fourth number is 30. Sa mga makakaswerte ng 5 winning numbers sa Mega Lotto, 1.2 million pesos ang paghahatian equally. Mega Lotto is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Our fifth number is 10. Very easy lang maglaro ng Lotto. Magtanong lang ng game mechanics and schedule sa ating friendly Lotto tellers. And for the sixth and final number, we have 33. Mga ka-Lotto, manatiling nakatutok. Susunod na ang pinaka-inaabangan ninyong Grand Lotto 655 after this break. Pilipinas, it's now time for the much-awaited Grand Lotto 655 draw. Wala pong nanalo ng jackpot prize noong Sabado, kaya naman patuloy itong lumalaki. Up for grabs ang Grand Lotto jackpot prize na 138,142,429 pesos and 9 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Once again, sir, please press that button and let's play Grand Lotto 655. Grand Lotto fans, this time, 55 drawballs numbered 1 to 55 ang inahalo sa loob ng draw machine. And still, mag-isa lang itong pipili ng 6 winning numbers. And our first number is 4. Sa jackpot-bearing games ng Lotto, paghatian equally ang jackpot prize kung dalawa o higit pa ang jackpot winners. Our second number is 20. Dito sa Grand Lotto, 60 pesos ang panalo kapag nag-match ang 3 numbers ninyo sa ating winning combination. And the third number is 38. Sa mga makakaswerte ng 4 winning numbers, 1.3 million pesos ang premyong paghahatian ninyo. And the fourth number is 3. Paghahatian naman ang 1.4 million pesos ng mga makakakuha ng 5 Grand Lotto winning numbers. Our fifth number is 50. Huwag pong magpapaloko sa mga nagpapanggap na PCSO officials, employees, or Lotto hosts at nagsasabing mabibigyan kayo ng tip ng mananalong numero sa Lotto. Scam po yan. And the sixth and final number is 24. Lotto players, we are not stopping now because coming up next is our fast-paced and thrilling digit games.
That is right. Get ready as we draw the winning combinations for the 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto. Huwag kayong aalis dahil kami ay babalik after this reminder from PCSO. Pilipinas, digit panalo time na! At sa unang digit game, 4 numbers ang bibida. Hindi bababa sa 10,000 pesos at pwedeng umabot sa 100,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang instant panalo pag nakuha in exact order ang 4D Lotto winning combination. May system plays din dito gaya ng Roll 1, Roll 4 at Perm o Rumble. Magtanong lang sa friendly Lotto tellers kung paano ito laruin. At narito na ang 4D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 4. For the second number, we have 8. The third number, 4. And the fourth and final number is 5. Ladies and gentlemen, our 4D Lotto winning combination for tonight is 4, 8, 4, and 5 in exact order. The night is still young, so let's get it on with our 3 lucky numbers. Let's play the 3D Lotto game. Digit game players. 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play ang premyo pag nag-match ang 3 numeros nyo sa 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito system play. Thrice daily ang 3D Lotto, that's every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. And here's our 3D Lotto winning combination. The first number is 5. For the second number, we have 8. And the third number is 0. Muli po, ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers ngayong gabi ay 5, 8, and 0 in exact order. Let's cap off tonight's draw by playing your favorite 2D Lotto game. 2D Lotto players, kayo ang may last chance to win tonight. Kailangan lang mag-match in exact order ang 2 numbers nyo sa 2D Lotto winning combination para manalo ng 4,000 pesos. At sa Rambolito System Play, 2,000 pesos ang naghihintay na papremyo. Sa lahat ng Lotto winners, you have 1 year to claim your prizes. And there you have it, our 2D Lotto winning combination. For the first number, we have 31. And the second number is 5. Recapping tonight's 2D Lotto winning numbers, we have 31 and 5 in exact order. Congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nanalo.